Hi, welcome back. My name is Jyoti Rolla and this is my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to review about one skincare product. The name is Glow from and the product name is Glow Essential. It is a kit of three, so I'll be using in the three step. The first step which I am going to use is Super Mud. The Super Mud is cleaning treatment. You have to put a thin layer. It's similar like the charcoal or clay mask, but it's a little different when you use it. After applying a thin layer all over your face, and you have to leave it for around 15 to 20 minutes, and then you have to remove with the water. So as if I use this mask for the first time, and I'm going to leave it for around 5 minutes, and not much because I started getting burn under my eye area, the cheeks and the upper lip. So after the 5 minutes I washed my face, and it look clean. It is doing a cleaning or the cleansing treatment. So after this, you can see a close up. So after this I'll be going for a number 2. So the number 2 is Flash Mud Brightening Treatment. So it's a pre-exfoliator. You have to leave it on your face, and while applying on your face you have to do a circular motion, and it will dry in 15 to 20 minutes, and it would be a little semi-transparent so that the product will go into your skin. So after applying this one for 15 minutes, it looked little seamless. The product has been in my skin, and I washed, and I can see my skin is healthy and bright. It's clean. I have like no makeup and nothing on my face. You can just see that. So after applying that, I have to go for the number 3. It called as a glow starter. It's a moisturizer. It's a mega illuminating moisturizer. So I have to apply. I can apply this over my eyes and lips even. The earlier two products was not supposed to use over your eyes or the mouth area. So I leave it over my face, and I put a little thick layer, not the thin as usual what I was doing earlier. So I leave it, and I try to like do a circular motion and put inside my skin so that all the treatment what I did earlier, it stay in my skin well. And I really like the first two products. They made my skin look like shining, glowing, healthy. I was very happy with the result. After applying these three products, I can say that Glow Essential, this three product kit is worth buying it. It's very nice. It's cleaning my skin. It's giving me a shine, and my skin look healthy, hydrated, and I'm very happy with the result. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe and share. Bye bye.